Welcome to Planet to Soul Astrology. So friends, today we will talk about Shatatarka Nakshatra, that is also called as Shatabhisha Nakshatra. This is Rahu Nakshatra and one of the most important and one of the most brilliant and research oriented nakshatra is Shatabhisha or Shatatarka Nakshatra. The name itself indicates Shatatarka. Shata means 100 and Tarka means taras, all small stars. So this nakshatra is made up of 100 stars in a circle position in Akash Mandal. Rahu represents, as the lord of Shatatarka Nakshatra is Rahu. So Rahu represents our ancestors and our Pitrus as well. So it is believed that all these 100 stars have all our ancestors and our Pitrus within them, blessing us and also reminding us to do the pending deeds or pending karmas by us, as well as any deeds or pending karmas which were balanced in their life and it got carried forward in our charts, and it will get carried forward in our children's chart, and this cycle will go on. So that is why if we will not talk about any Pitru dosh or any Sarpa dosh, still we have to consider that whenever Surya or Moon or Mars or Saturn, any planet is with Rahu or Ketu, that time that planet which is with Rahu gets afflicted because of Rahu, and the concerned planet, say for example if Sun is there, so that planet will reduce its effect because of this Rahu, because Rahu is more dangerous and Rahu has a bigger mouth which will eclipse the Sun. That is why it is called as Grahan Yoga also. Same with Moon also. Rahu eclipses the Moon and Moon is not able to give the fruits in full in mother's love or in Sukha or any Moon related Karakatva, this Rahu will affect. Coming back to Shatatarka Nakshatra, as I said, every nakshatra has their gotra. So this nakshatra, Shatatarka Nakshatra, have Katyayani gotra. Katyayani Mata, you know, in Dasa Mahavidya also, and otherwise also Katyayani Devi is worshipped during Navratris and during Gupta Navratris, and many people do sadhana of this Katyayani Mata. Because Rahu also represents deep roots and deep senses of sadhana, meditation, and it directly has a connection with our root chakra and all the chakras. To awaken the chakras, this Rahu Nakshatra have that capacity. I am particularly talking about Shatatarka Nakshatra, as all four charans, all four padas comes under Aquarius, that is Kumbha Rashi, and Kumbha Rashi is a airy sign. So whichever planet is placed in Kumbha Rashi, any planet placed in Kumbha Rashi, so it is said that that person will be having so and so planet in Shatatarka Nakshatra. Means all four charans, if the person is born, then all four charans will come in Shatatarka Nakshatra. In Aquarius, last two charan of Dhanishta Nakshatra will come, because two charans will go in Makar Rashi, that is Capricorn, and then last two charans will come in Aquarius, and then Shatatarka Nakshatra will start. Coming back to Devata of this nakshatra, it is a Varun Devata. So whoever are having this nakshatra, if at all they want to start anything new, or without asking anybody about the remedy, or we say what is our ishta, many a times it comes in our mind, what is my ishta devata or something. Whenever you are starting any new work, or whenever you are feeling depressed, you just have to remember the Varuna devata, and then you have to start the work. So definitely this devata, as it is your graha devata, or it is your moon devata. If you are born in Shatatarka nakshatra, maybe your moon will be in Shatatarka nakshatra. So your mind will act like a Rahu only because of this moon. If this Rahu is not Shubha in your chart, then definitely such people will suffer from depression or psychologically mood swings. I will say not exactly depression, or not exactly very severe psychological diseases, unless and until Mercury is also afflicted in the chart. So we have to see the moon position also, Krishna Paksha, Shukla Paksha moon, or whether it is a waning moon, or it is a Shubha moon, or having good Rashmis in it, you know. So this Shatatarka Nakshatra is also called as pot of Amruta. It is made up of field of Amruta. So whoever wants to drink, or whoever wants to taste this Amrut, so they have to born under this nakshatra. The all four charans are Jupiter, Saturn and Jupiter. See, Saturn, Jupiter, Saturn and Rahu. All spiritually inclined planets are there in all the charans. So these people, even though they are very practical, but still the spiritual quality will always be there in such people. Shatatarka nakshatra is very brave nakshatra. These people will be very brave. These people will be very fast decision makers many a time. These people will never get afraid of any surrounding situation, or they will tackle the situation very tactfully, and they have very good technological knowledge within them. If at all Mars is connected with this Rahu, if Mars is in Shatatarka nakshatra, so that time these people are tend to go in medical field, or tend to go in technical field. If Surya Rahu connection is there, and Surya is a Yoga Karak planet, say in Mesh Lagna, Surya becomes Yoga Karak planet. So that time such people may go into Ayurveda, or even though these people are not means this sun is not Yoga Karak in the chart, still these people may go into medical field. You know, people having Surya and Rahu together. So this Shatatarka nakshatra, if you are born in first charan of Shatatarka nakshatra, so that means you are born in Jupiter charan. So you will be having quality of Jupiter, the planet which is placed, say for example moon. So you will be having moon quality, Jupiter quality and Rahu quality. So in your chart you have to see the placement of Jupiter in your chart, the placement of Rahu in your chart, and Chandra which is already there in Rahu nakshatra. So all these three placements you have to see in the chart to decide the exact fruit of this nakshatra. But we have to remember that such people will be of dominating nature always, and they will overpower the another person very fast. These Shatatarka nakshatra are very deep thinker people, research oriented. Many astronomers, many aeronautical engineers have major or key planets in Shatatarka nakshatra. If you see in many renowned astrologers' charts, you will find they are having their key planets in Shatatarka nakshatra. Also, saints like Ramakrishna Paramhans, Swami Vivekananda, or any people who are going in spiritual path or who have taken sannyas or who are into deep sadhana, you will find Shatatarka Nakshatra is playing very important role in their chart. For these people, I would advise that if you are having Rahu Nakshatra as your Lagna or as your moon sign, as per Vastu, I am just deviating the topic. So, north door will be best for you people to go to reside, or if you are buying any property, or if you are opening any office or anything, or you have to start anything, north direction is very good for you people. If we will talk about second charan of Shatatarka Nakshatra, then it is of Saturn. So quality of Saturn and Rahu will come in it. So Saturn and Rahu both are comfortable also and both are not comfortable also. It will again depend on the position and placement of Saturn and strength of the Saturn in the chart. But still Saturn behaves like Rahu only, and Rahu precipitate the features of Saturn within it. So they both are comfortable with each other, even though it is said that these both planets, Saturn and Rahu together, creates like a Preta dosha. You cannot say it directly Preta dosha, but such people are very much inclined or very much keen to know and to learn the Smashan Vidya, you can say. Tantrics, you can find they are very much interested in Tantra Sadhana, Tantra Vidya, even though they are not in occult, and if they are visiting many astrologers or they are believer of astrology or Tantra Sadhana, they will always go after the people who know the Tantra Vidya or Tantrics, and many a times these people are tend to get fool, they become fool from so many people. You know, they go anywhere and they do the pujas and remedies and all unnecessary things they do. So one has to keep this thing in mind that before going to any tantrics or anything, see, very few people, and ratio is about 0% who are real tantrics in our today's day. This is all energy work. This is a key of secret energy within you which you are releasing. So Shatatarka Nakshatra have all these qualities and features to make a person very deep thinker. These people, you see, best surgeons, best doctors, they are in medical field, best pharmacist, you will find all these people, they are best pharmacist. Then again, if you see that Shatatarka people, they are always in research mode, you know, they always like to learn new things, and they want to go in the roots of anything. So, and one more thing I would like to share with you all, that person having key planet in Shatatarka Nakshatra, if it is especially if you see that if 5th Lord or 9th Lord is with Rahu or in Shatatarka Nakshatra, these people are said to born rebirth of their ancestor or any of great grandfather. And this 5th Lord in Lagna in Shatatarka Nakshatra will always remind the native that you have to fulfill my these ambitions or my this pending work you have to fulfill. Whenever the Dasha Antardasha of 8th Lord, Rahu and 5th Lord will come, that time automatically such situation will be created, that person will go into occult or person will go into the concerned field which was kept pending by their ancestor or by their forefather. Not necessarily everybody will go in Jyotish only, but anyhow they will get the hint and they will get the blessings of these ancestors. Rahu oriented diseases are very severe, you could say. Rahu is shadow so no, Rahu will never show you any symptoms of diseases after third, fourth stage of disease, no matter fever, no matter any thyroids or something. Whenever you go to doctor, then it is possible that wrong diagnosis is made first and then correct diagnosis is made. So Rahu works here like this. Rahu denotes camera. Rahu denotes social media. So Shatatarka people, if your Venus is in Shatatarka Nakshatra, so these people are tend to go in creative field. They are very much attached to creativity, and if Mars is also connected, then they are very good software engineers. They are in digital marketing. They are, if Mercury is connected here, they are you can see they are very good chartered accountants. If Saturn is connected to this, then you see very good in judiciary field. They are magistrates, very good lawyers, criminal lawyers they are. If you want to start anything new related to your studies, or if you want to start any occult book to start reading, or you want to start any classes related to occult, so you have to choose the Shatatarka Nakshatra. If you want to go for major surgery, so Shatatarka Nakshatra is the best Murta to be given to get the successful surgery. This nakshatra is specially beneficiary to those people who are in Ramal Vidya or who are in Shakun Shastra. So these people in later life who are having strong connection of this nakshatra in their life, 110% they are supposed to learn or to know the Shakun Shastra, or even though they are not in occult, they are tend to get so many miraculous dreams, or so many sakshatkar we could say, or drashtant they see all of a sudden that yes, this is going to happen, So accordingly we have to decide. So all four charan, as I talked about, second charan Saturn, then third again Saturn will only come. So same features, you have to see the planet, and then fourth charan, and then you have to see the marks of this Rahu in your Ashtak Varga, as well as the planets which are placed in this nakshatra. Even though if your lagna is of this nakshatra, no any planet is there in this nakshatra, then you have to see the degree of the lagna, and then accordingly you have to decide the fruits. The Aradhya Vruksh, the deity tree of this nakshatra is Kadamba Vruksha. Nakshatra Vruksh is holding so much importance that in health, if you keep any branch or root of this Kadamba tree, you can just Google the English meaning of it. So Kadamba tree, if anybody is keeping with, whoever is having whoever nakshatra, whatever nakshatra you have to just keep any branch or root of that nakshatra with you to boost up your energy always. And if at all, whenever you are in depression, or you are having any health issues or something, you always have to go for nakshatra tree, and you have to worship the nakshatra lord as well as nakshatra tree. Om Rahave Namaha. You always have to surrender in front of Rahu, because Rahu is a planet which is a master of Kali Yuga. Saturn is a planet which is a master of Kali Yuga, which was a master of Satyuga also, and which will be master of coming Yuga also. So all these planets are very much important in our life. So Shatatarka Nakshatra, all 100 stars. So all these people are very good Jyotish. So I wish all the Shatatarka people best of luck to do very good in their life, and God bless you all.